Is it time to change your air filter on your KRX 1000? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen and this is Maintenance Matters. You're going to start by removing your driver's side seat. You'll remove the seat portion first and then remove 4 bolts from the seat base. Now you're going to loosen these clips for your access panel. Pull the panel down. You'll have 2 clips on the airbox lid. Set the airbox lid aside. Pull your air filter. What you'll be looking for is any kind of damaged or wet fins or excess dust stuck inside your air filter. This one looks like it's in pretty good shape, so we'll just use an air gun to blow it out, get any extra dust out. Now you'll take a clean rag, wipe down the inside of your airbox. Wipe down the inside of your airbox lid and check the seal. If it's damaged or missing, go ahead and get a new one from your Kawasaki dealership. Now that that's clean, you can take your air filter, slide it over the intake, make sure it's seated. Secure the lid and the access panel. Now you can reinstall your seat and your seat base and you're good to go. That's how easy it is to change your air filter on the new KRX 1000. Happy riding!